What's up, guys? Welcome to BroBeatzTV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some lullaby trap type beats. If you do end up enjoying the video, make sure you hit that sub button and turn post notifications on so you don't miss a vid. Let's hop into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the melody and the basics. So for the scale, usually a minor will do, just because of how it's set up, and we can let's do a B minor. I haven't really done that. Okay, let's do a B minor. BPM, you can do it as fast as slow as you want. I just like somewhere in the middle between, 120 to 140, so 130. So for the sound selection, you want to have like a soft bell, pluck, key, something soft to kind of give you that like dream vibe, right? And then add some reverb or delay or any other effects you want. But I just have my reverb halfway just to kind of give it more ambience, and it should have some release. Right, so this is the release here. You should have like some release on it. All right, so let's go in here, and I can break this up so that this is straightforward, and we could just do the bass line right now. To zoom in, not that much FL. All right, so what you want to do, right, to get this vibe every time is you want to stick to these half steps here. Okay, now why is you want to start on these and then move away, and when you do that, you'll create a dreamy vibe, right? Now if you do it vice versa, if you go from here to there, it'll start to sound a little happy sometimes, but usually right, and you can kind of get that dreamy vibe by doing that. So this is the rule here, right? So this will be universal when we're making our melody. So let's just make a quick, little bass line. And then from here, you could go up, right? You can skip this, go up. Okay, that sounds a little too dark for me, so I'm gonna try backwards like that. Okay, I like that. It's kind of sounding like a lullaby type of thing, right? So this is our bass line. We can stop it there, and then now we can go ahead and try to make our top melody. All right, so now let's make our melody. So this is pretty easy because all you really have to do from here is use your ear, and you want to make a repeating melody, right? If you want it to be like authentic to like a lullaby or something like that, right? So the easiest way to do this is take what we learned here and apply it up here. So okay. Let's do this, because remember these tension areas, right? And let's just try some notes to use. Let's see. Okay, I like that note, the way that sounds. Okay, and then let's go up, probably. Kind of like. Right, and then now I'm kind of liking the way it's sounding. All right, I like that, and I'll just probably delete this so we can work on this. So this is like our mid section. So now let's go up higher to make make it more of a melody now. So what we can do is let's just take this same thing, pull it up an octave, and let's use that little trick where we went like this, and then you skip, make a chord right backwards. You start. Make another chord backwards, and then let's do a wiggle right here. Right now it's sounding dreamy. Okay, you can see how easy it is to do this, right? Just knowing these tricks right here. So these half step and then move away from it, right? Let's take this note, something like this, and then let's use this note. And how I'm just placing these notes randomly, I'm just looking at what worked already and just moving stuff over. As you can see, I just moved these over. Okay, just to explain why I moved them over. Okay, I like that. I think that sounds pretty good. So now let's move over here. Let's put something up top. Let's take this, shrink it down, and let's pull it up. I think that's good enough. But let me see. Kind of wanted to start over here. Let's add one of these notes. Let's end here, right? So this rule, you see, I'm trying to explain this rule, it still stays here. Let's add this one more time. I really like the way that sound. I'm gonna add one of these in. All right, I like that. I think that sounds pretty good. So now we can move on to our next instrument. All right, so now we have our second sound. Now I wanted to add something, but I really feel like this is enough. Like I didn't expect this to sound like this, so we don't really need to add anything. So I'm gonna just copy this down, and then we'll just find a little sound here. So. Hold up, that might sound good if we. Okay, I'll use that. We can use that sound. All right, so this is our new sound. We're gonna use this for like a hook, right? This has a lot of energy to it. So now we can just make the drums. All right, so now this is the easy part. We'll do the 808 and then we'll do all the drums together. So I guess we actually could just take these. Copy them, paste them here, Shift D to make them shorter so you can kind of manage them better. And then since this is like supposed to be like a slow beat, I'm gonna kind of space these out a bit, and we just offset these. I want to use a lower one, but the key doesn't allow us to really go that low. Let's do something like this, a little bounce in there. Okay, I think that's pretty smooth. We don't have to add a bunch of, you know, jumps and stuff. We can just keep it smooth. All right, so let's add our drums next. All right, so let's go ahead and do the drums. Now I have my loops on 32. So 32 and 64. So 32 would be halfway, and then 64 would loop it this entire part. Okay, so I'm doing 32. I usually do 64, but I'll do 32 for this video because it's, well, I guess it's drum based, but we don't need to spend a lot of time on drums, right? So let's go ahead and throw this stuff in. And let's activate these real quick. And then we can change the velocity of that. Just tweaking a bit. Let's let this ride up. Okay, I think that's good. Let's see. Okay, now let's play the 808. And I want to hear with this. I really like the way it sounded when we made the beat here. Like that it sounds like some 𝗀𝗓𝙋𝗍 stuff now, but I guess we could just use this for like the hook, right? Like for like a high energy, and this for like the low end. But that's it for this video. That's all I really have. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.